There on BBC One, a violence has been affected in United Kingdom. Please do follow. Remain calm at all times. This is a BBC One. Do not be to belong. We interrupt our programming for important announcement. Please stand by. You are now watched a BBC One. As you know by now, many people are still approve awfully and her sadly. Symbols, United Kingdom government, are still to find any way for stopping her violence. Now we have bring a solution. A cannibal will be attack her after being Buckingham Palace burn away. Sorry for break fault programming. We show how must go on. Please stand by. Angry people has been center. Shooting television will damage. And our time. It's our people will demo violence. Damage the way in her falling there. Scream. It is a known massive nation. And her being lately. But however, we must only stop now. We can must only to trade it. But however, you are being make people will sadly dot your advertiser in this BBC headquarters. If you make us again, you can caught by police and her make our royal family crying. If you never use make again, you are my viewers watching. Her demo has being make violence. And if the royal family are the corrupted monarchy, you should not call the police. Because it's make politics breakout or outbreak. That's all information. We cannot. Time to comfortful for you. Thanks. For next time, normal programming shall be resumed for the time being. God bless us all.